All right, my first app I'm going to go over is Quizizz. Quizizz is a good way to do some formative assessments. There's lots of different types of questions you can ask. Some of the features of it is you can go in and you can search. Like, I'm a math teacher, so I'm going to search for a quiz on midpoint. And then when I search, I get all these pre-made quizzes from other people, so I can go ahead and just choose one, open it up, and I can preview the questions. And if there's any questions in there that I don't like, if I like most of the questions, but there's a couple in there I don't like, or I think it's too long, I can go in and delete questions. I can go in and edit questions. If there's something about a question that I don't like, I can go in and edit it. Once I have my quiz made, I can go in and save it as my own. I can save it in my own library. I just click save and it'll save in my own library. So I have access to it anytime I want. The other nice thing is if I want to create my own quiz from scratch, I can. I just click create. I type in the name that I want to give the quiz, type in my subject area, midpoint, and now I can start my own quiz from scratch. So I can choose different questions to put in the quiz, multiple choice, checkbox, fill in the blank, poll questions, open-ended. If I get to a point where I want to insert a question from another quiz, I can click on teleport. I can search. I've already typed in a search for midpoint, so I'm going to search for midpoint, and I get all these other quizzes. Okay, so I can click on one. Let's say I'm looking for a specific type of question. I can click on it. I'm like, oh, okay, I want to use this question here. So I click on it. I click add, and then that question automatically goes into my quiz. And then I can, if I want to edit it, I can, or just save it, I can save it. Okay, when you're done with your quiz, you just click done. And well, maybe not. Click exit, and then you can save it, and then you put it in whatever folder you want to put it in. I made up some units for my classes because I'm thinking about using this in my classes, so I can save it to a specific folder. I can go back in and change it, edit it. Some other nice features, after the kids have taken a quiz, you can go into reports and you can see how they did. You can go question by question, or you can go student by student. You can set up classes if you want to. So several different features. With it being kind of game based, the kids kind of enjoy it because they can kind of compete against each other and get points for how many questions they get right and how fast they get done. That's probably the only part I really don't like, because it rewards them going fast, and I'd really rather have them more accurate than fast. But good program, a lot like Kahoot, with the exception of on Quizizz, the questions show up on each of their individual devices, so they can just do it like at home. Right now, we're doing remote teaching. I can give them the game code. They can log in, put the game code in, and each student sees each question on their Chromebook or on their phones. It works with multiple devices. So very good program. And I would highly recommend using it.